Welcome to Code Station.
So next we have our bitwise operators. Bitwise operators is used to perform bit level operations on the operand. The operators are first converted to bit level, that is zeros and ones, and then calculation is performed. The mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, etc. can be performed at bit level for faster processing. So we have different types of operators like AND operator, OR, XOR, NOT, left, shift, right. So let's see it working. Their bits will be let's see with an example. So $x has 5 and $y has 6. So they are bit representation. So the representation in binary is this. That is, this first digit is represents one value, and then this third is 4. So 4 plus 1 gives us 5. Therefore 0, 1, 0, 1. Similarly here 1 and then 1 and then 2. So 1 plus 2, 3. So 3. Now let's see an AND operator. Bits that are 1 in both AND like $x and y, which both has 1, then it is set to 1. So here we have 1 and 1. So then the answer will be set to be 1, otherwise 0. In OR, if there is 1 in either of the value, then it is set to 1. Like here it's 1, but here we don't have 1, but still it is set to 1. And in XOR, if there are 1 in either or either of the value, then it is set to 0. Similar. And NOT operator is sets 1 to 0, like it inverts the value. Left shift, it shifts the bits to the number that we provide to the left. Right shift shifts the operator bits to the right. Let's see with an example. Let's see some examples. So $A and B are 5 and 3. So we perform AND operation on $A and B. So as you know, it's 5 and 3. So if both the values are 1, then it sets to 1. So 1, 1 will be 1. And then nothing is 1. Both are not 1. So it will be 0. So it gives us 1. Similarly for OR, and 3 is this, therefore the bitwise will be this, because either if any of the value is 1, then it sets to 1. Similarly for XOR. And now NOT, it inverts the values, that is, if it's 1, then it will give 0, if it's 0, then it will give 1. So this is of 5, then it has inverted. And then left shift and right. Left, it shifts the 5 to 1, because we have given $A, left shift C. C has value 1. So shift 1 times towards the left, and then it becomes this value. And then it shifts towards the right, it becomes this one. In the browser. So 1, 7, 6, these are the results of the AND OR operations.
So with this we conclude with operators in PHP. But as we know that operators are fundamentals of any programming language, similarly are for PHP. So more and more that you practice with operators, you will get an idea of how to include them in your own projects. Hope this video helped you in learning some insights about the operators and their working.